Okay, this is the unboxing of another item. I don't know what is that. Let's open it. I don't know what is this one. Let's see. Paper. Ooh. This is Revelation Astro. Oh, these are eyepieces. These are eyepieces I ordered. Oh, open it. They look very heavy. Just open it. Oh, Revelation Astro eyepieces. This one is massive. What is this? It's 50mm fully multi-coated. That was an offer. I got it from them. And I wonder, everybody was telling in the forums that these are not good because they're 50mm eyepiece. Practically is impossible to see anything with it. I wonder, is it? But actually none of the people that I read about from them in these astronomy forums, they actually didn't own any of this. So I'm curious now just to see what I can see with this 2-inch one. Okay, Revelation Astro 2-inch, beautiful big eyepiece. And now I'm going to open this other one. Ooh, another one. Revelation Plusle Astro 40mm. This is 2-inch barrel size, and this one is 1.25 size. Okay, this is now a fully multi-coated 40mm focal distance. Quite tight. I have to open this caps. These were originally 69 pound or 64 pound, but because of the bad reviews the people who have not actually tried it have given in the astronomy forums, people were not buying them, so they gave them for around 20% cheaper. I bought them for 43 pound or even cheaper probably. And this is a very good one for 1.25 barrel eyepieces, eyepiece focusers, and this is for 2-inch eyepiece focuser. So looking forward for this to be used.